March 19, 2026. We are now on day 78 out of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. Psalm chapter 56 verse 8. You keep track of all my sorrows. You have collected all my tears in your bottle. You have recorded each one in your book. Today's topic title, God says, I will wipe away your tears. As you live in this world that is broken, your life does not go untouched by pain and sorrow. Perhaps you think that if you had real faith, you wouldn't have to feel sad. But your tears do not reflect a lack of faith. Tears are a tool I use to bring healing in your life. I do not discount or dismiss your tears. They are precious to me because you are precious to me. In fact, at the culmination of human history, I will personally wipe away all tears. I won't awkwardly ignore them or suggest that if you really had faith, you wouldn't cry. No, I will lovingly wipe them away. Not only that, I will also remove all of the sorrow that caused those tears in the first place. My plan for the future is to destroy forever the evil that has brought you so much pain. Then I will live forever with you in a place I have lovingly prepared, a place where there will be no more tears. In Revelation 21:4, it says, Death will be no more, grief, crying, and pain will be no more, because the previous things have passed away. So in relation to the topic title today, where God says, He will wipe away our tears. I try to think it this way, na how will I know how to appreciate being in the light when I haven't experienced being in the dark? How I will be able to appreciate what really it means to be happy when you really haven't experienced sadness. Ang ganyan ba? Or how it feels like to have plenty kung never mo din talaga na experience na walang-wala, di ba? So, in everything, God has reason for everything that He allows to happen in our life. And it's normal na tayo, we're just humans, we feel emotions We mourn, we cry, mga ganyan. And we should not deny those feelings. It's real. We feel those things. But crying doesn't mean na we're weak, diba? Doesn't mean na I have God in my life. I will never cry. I will never experience sadness, ganyan. It's not like that. We still feel things. We still go through some sufferings, mga obstacles in life, and if we feel those emotions, then let it be. Kumbaga, like for example, when we cry, doesn't mean na weak tayo, no? You can always cry and feel your emotions, but then have the ask God to have the strength ba na doesn't mean na umiiyak ka is weak ka na. You can cry, but then later on stand up and move, you go on, but you carry on with life. Ask God for the strength to carry on. So what we will just have to do is carry on in this life, and then we look forward for that eternal life, for the restoration that's waiting for us, no? Na dumating yung time na when that time comes, ready tayo ba? We're ready to face God ready to face God by that time. So ganon siya. So God will wipe away our tears.